Have you ever thought about starting your own business? Maybe you've already got a brilliant idea, but you're not sure where to begin. Or perhaps you're eager to break into entrepreneurship, but you're still searching for the right concept. Either way, this guide is for you. First things first, you need a business plan. Think of it as a roadmap for your entrepreneurial journey, a document that outlines your business's objectives, strategies, and financial projections. It should include an executive summary, a thorough market analysis, and a detailed description of your products or services. Not to mention, a marketing plan and a financial plan. A solid business plan isn't just a tool for getting investors on board. It's your guide to understanding your business inside and out. Next, you need to choose a business structure. This could be a sole proprietorship, a limited liability company, a limited liability partnership, or a corporation. Each comes with its own implications for taxes, liability, and operations. Weigh the pros and cons of each structure and consider seeking advice from an accountant or attorney to make the right choice for your business. You've got your plan, you've chosen your structure. Now it's time to get legal. Register your business name, file your business entity, get an employer identification number, apply for any necessary licenses and permits, and make sure you're up to speed with tax laws. Now let's talk about money. You need to estimate your startup costs and calculate your break-even point. Funding your business might involve dipping into personal savings, using credit cards, applying for loans or grants, crowdfunding, or bringing investors on board. Don't forget to open a business bank account and consider using accounting software to keep track of your finances. Running a business requires a certain set of tools: CRM software, project management software, credit card processors, point-of-sale systems, virtual private networks, merchant services, email hosting. The list goes on. The right tools can help your business run smoothly and efficiently. Then, there's marketing. You've got to let people know you exist. Create a website or an e-commerce store. Optimize it for search engines. Provide quality content. List your business in online directories. Utilize social media platforms. And consider running ads. As your business grows, you'll want to think about scaling. This could mean expanding your marketing efforts, improving your product or service, collaborating with other businesses, adding new products or services, automating or outsourcing tasks, hiring and managing a team, or finding potential partnerships. Finally, consider your location. Some states are more business-friendly than others. In 2023, a study ranked states based on key metrics across 5 categories. Check out the full report to see where your state stands. Starting a business is a journey, but with a solid plan, the right tools, and a bit of tenacity, you can turn your dream into a reality. Remember, every successful business out there started from scratch. Yours could be next.